Welcome back to 5-Minute Encyclopedia. Today, we dive into the world of the majestic polar bears. These magnificent creatures are the largest species of bear, classified as marine mammals. They reside in the Arctic, a place not many species can call home. Their impressive adaptations allow them to survive in one of the harshest environments on our planet. But what makes these Arctic giants so fascinating? Stick around as we delve deeper into their world. So why are these Arctic giants so fascinating? Let's find out. Polar bears are not just unique in size, but they also have some amazing adaptations that help them survive in the Arctic. Let's start with their fur. You might think it's white, but did you know it's actually transparent? Each hair is a clear, hollow tube that reflects and scatters light, giving the appearance of being white. This serves as a brilliant camouflage, blending the bears into their snowy surroundings. Underneath this fur, polar bears sport a layer of black skin. This dark pigmentation absorbs and retains heat from the sun, helping to keep the bears warm in the frigid Arctic temperatures. But the skin isn't their only source of warmth. Polar bears have a thick layer of fat or blubber that insulates their bodies, maintaining a steady body temperature even in the coldest conditions. This blubber layer can be up to 4.5 inches thick. And then, there are their paws. They are significantly large, almost the size of a dinner plate. This size helps distribute their weight when walking on thin ice or snow. The rough pads on the bottom provide good grip, and the partially webbed toes make them expert swimmers, capable of paddling through icy waters with ease. So, whether they're blending into the backdrop, soaking up the sun's warmth, staying insulated with blubber, or treading lightly on thin ice, polar bears have evolved to perfectly adapt to their harsh environment. These features make the polar bear a perfect fit for life in the Arctic. But what about their eating habits? Polar bears are carnivorous, with seals being their primary source of food. They have a particular fondness for the fatty, energy-rich blubber that seals offer, which is crucial for their survival in the harsh Arctic environment. Apart from seals, they also snack on walruses, fish, and even beluga whales when the opportunity arises. Their hunting techniques are as fascinating as they are efficient. Polar bears are excellent swimmers, using their powerful front limbs to propel through water at speeds that would make Olympic swimmers envious. This swimming prowess, coupled with their keen sense of smell, allows them to detect seals nearly a kilometer away. But it's not all about strength and speed. Patience is a virtue for these Arctic predators. They employ a method known as still hunting, where they wait patiently by seals' breathing holes in the ice. The moment a seal pops up to breathe, the polar bear strikes with deadly speed and precision. This blend of patience, power, and precision makes the polar bear one of the most successful hunters in the Arctic. But their food sources are seasonal, and they often have to fast for months during the lean summer period, relying on fat reserves built up during the bountiful winter months. Their hunting skills are impressive, but their survival is under threat. Why is that? Despite their size and strength, polar bears are facing a serious threat: climate change. These majestic Arctic giants are seeing their icy homes diminish year by year. Climate change is not a distant threat, but a present, invasive terror, stealing away the sea ice that is crucial for the bear's survival. The sea ice serves as a platform for hunting seals, their primary food source, and a place for resting and breeding. As the ice melts, polar bears are forced to swim longer distances, putting them at risk of exhaustion and even drowning. But it's not all doom and gloom. There's a glimmer of hope in the form of conservation efforts. Organizations worldwide are taking strides to protect polar bear habitats, conducting scientific research to better understand their needs and challenges, and advocating for policies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. From reducing our carbon footprint to supporting these organizations, each of us can play a part. We can switch to renewable energy sources, minimize waste, and make sustainable choices in our daily lives. The future of polar bears isn't just about them, it's about the health and balance of our planet. It's a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. The future of polar bears lies in our hands. Let's make sure it's a future where these Arctic giants continue to thrive.